Welcome to day 21 of our Python programming journey. In today's lesson, we are going to apply object-oriented programming principles like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism to build a basic bank account system. This project will give you practical experience in coding and problem solving. Let's take a look at the project overview. Our goal is to create a bank system with classes and derived classes. The system will allow users to check their balance, deposit money, withdraw money, and manage different account types such as savings and current accounts. Now let's discuss the core of our system, the account class. We will need attributes such as the account number, a unique identifier for each account, the account holder which stores the account holder names, and the balance which keeps track of the current balance. The class will have methods like deposit which adds money to the balance, withdraw which allows users to take money out, and check balance which display the current balance. We will also create two derived classes from the account class, savings account and current account. For the savings account, we will add a interest rate attribute, and the method addInterest will add interest to the balance. For the current account, the additional attribute is an overdraft limit which lets users withdraw more than their balance up to a certain limit. We will also override the withdraw method to allow withdrawals within this overdraft limit. To tie everything together, we develop a bank system that can manage multiple accounts, perform operations like searching for accounts by account number, depositing or withdrawing money, and viewing balances. Add interest to savings accounts and view all accounts in the system. To make it user-friendly, we will create a menu-driving interface. Here are the options. Create an account, either savings or current. Deposit money, withdraw money, view balance, add interest for savings accounts, view all accounts, exit the system. Next, let's look at the code structure. We will break the project into modules. Account.py. This module will contain the account, savings account, and current account classes. Banksystem.py. This is the main program where we manage the accounts and provide the user interface. Here's an example of the output you might see when running the system. It's a simple menu where the user is prompted to choose an action like creating an account, depositing money, or checking the balance. You can imagine how this interface will guide users through the system's operations. For those looking to go the extra mile, here are some additional challenges you can try. Exception handling. Handle invalid inputs or situations like insufficient balance, data persistence. Save account data to a file and load it when the system restarts. Account closure/transfer. Add features to close accounts or transfer funds between them. By the end of this mini project, you will have a functional bank account system that demonstrates key object-oriented programming concepts. This is a great opportunity to put your coding skills into practice while building a useful application.